Very good morning, dear students. Before the start of the class, let us take a pledge to fight the deadly coronavirus. I, Harpreet Singh, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the COVID-19 appropriate behavior. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water, and together, by taking all these precautions, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Students, today in this EV we will start chapter number 8, remainder and factor theorems. So remainder and factor theorems more likely they are same, ये दोनों एक जैसी ही होती हैं और इनमें हम रिमाइंडर थ्योरम की अगर हम बात करें तो किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल को जिसकी डिग्री 1 या 1 से बड़ी कुछ भी हो उसको जब हम किसी भी लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हम उसका रिमाइंडर डायरेक्टली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं विदाउट एनी एक्चुअल डिवीजन। एंड और हमें पता है कि जब रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो जो पॉलिनोमियल है वो जिससे हमने डिवाइड करा था, जो डिवाइजर था वो फैक्टर होगा। तो यहाँ पे यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रिमाइंडर एंड फैक्टर थ्योरम, वन थिंग वी कैन फाइंड द रिमाइंडर व्हेन वी डिवाइड एनी पॉलिनोमियल विद अ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल। The dividend must be of a polynomial having degree greater than or equal to 1, and at the same time we can check whether a linear polynomial is factor of any other polynomial having degree greater than or equal to 1. So first let us have a look on the concept. Suppose when we divide any polynomial, here we take example, we take polynomial x square minus 5x plus 8 and we divide it by x minus 2. What will happen? The first, we need to make the first term equal. So we multiply x minus 2 with x, then it become x square minus 2x, then change the sign, subtract, x square cancel. Here we have minus 3x plus 8. Then we multiply x minus 2 with minus 3. It become minus 3x plus 6. Change the sign in order to subtract. 3x cancel and 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we can say that when x square minus 5x plus 8 is divided by x minus 2 using long division method, the remainder is 2. But if we put directly the value of x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial, what we will get? 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 8. It is 4 minus 10 plus 8. And this is 12 minus 10, that is equal to 2. So therefore we can directly calculate the remainder when x square minus 5x plus 8 is divided by x minus 2. And the remainder is remainder is also 2. So therefore we can state remainder theorem as, if fx is a polynomial in x and is divided by x minus a, the remainder is equal to f of a. For example, if fx is divided by x minus 3, the remainder is f of 3. So we can elaborate it more by taking one example or one question from the exercise. So let us take the first sum from exercise 8a. In this we have find in each case the remainder when x power 4, first part is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. So here is the solution how we will solve this. So this is exercise 8e. In this we are given with, this is question number 1, first part. So the polynomial is fx is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. We need to find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1. So for this, what we will do? We will assume x minus 1 as gx. gx is x minus 1. अब जिस पॉलिनोमियल लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल से आपने डिवाइड करना है उसको इक्वल टू 0 पुट कर दो. पुट gx is equal to 0. तो इट मीन्स x minus 1 इक्वल्स टू 0. तो यहां से हमारे पास x इज इक्वल टू 1 आ जाएगा। अब अगर हम इस x को 1 fx में पुट कर दें तो हमारे पास वो रिमाइंडर आएगा जब हम fx को gx से डिवाइड करेंगे। सो देयरफॉर रिमाइंडर व्हेन fx is divided by x minus 1 is given by f of 1, and this is equal to 1 power 4 minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So it is 1, anything raised 1 raised to power anything is also 1, and 3 into 1 is 1 plus 2 plus 1. Now add all the terms with positive sign, 1, 2 and 1. It is 4, and then minus वाली टर्म्स को हमने अलग कर लिया. So it is 4 minus 3, that is 1. So therefore remainder हमारे पास आया 1. So this is the way how we can find remainder. And now let us have a look on factor theorem. Now what factor theorem says? Now factor theorem says when a polynomial fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a, and if remainder is 0 then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial fx. So we can say that the polynomial x minus a is a factor of polynomial fx if f of a is equal to 0. So here also we can check the factors. Now let us take question number 3, the case of question number 3. In question number 3 we have to check fx is given to be 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 6. In the first part we have to check whether gx equal to x plus 1 is a factor of fx or not. So we will do the same procedure. First of all put gx equal to 0. It means x plus 1 equals to 0. So it will give x equal to minus 1. Now find the value of f of minus 1. It is 2 into minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square, 5 into minus 1 minus 6. किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर का जब हम क्यूब करते हैं तो वो नेगेटिव में ही आएगा. अगर किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर की ऑड पावर होगी तो आंसर इज नेगेटिव, अगर इवन पावर होगी तो आंसर इज पॉजिटिव. अब यहाँ पे माइनस 1 स्क्वायर इज 1, माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस 5 माइनस 6. So it is minus 2 plus 3 plus 5 minus 6. Now all the positive term will be added together and negative term together. So we will have 8 minus 8, and 8 minus 8 is 0. So therefore the value of f of minus 1 is 0. And what is f of minus 1? In the previous question we learned that this is the remainder when any polynomial fx is divided by gx equal to x plus 1, and now the remainder comes out to be 0. So we can say x plus 1 is a factor of fx if the remainder is not equal to 0. Suppose in some case the f of a is not equal to 0, then x minus a is not a factor. तो इस तरह से हम फैक्टर थ्योरम और रिमाइंडर थ्योरम यूज़ करके रिमाइंडर भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और फैक्टर भी बता सकते हैं कि कोई भी गिवन किसी का फैक्टर होगा या नहीं होगा. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन अप्लाई द फैक्टर थ्योरम एंड रिमाइंडर थ्योरम टू प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन इन द केस ऑफ questions. And I hope this AV will help you to solve the questions of exercise 8A which are based on remainder and factor theorem. Thank you very much for watching this AV.